Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to analyze how you can actually exclude warm audiences in your Advantage Plus campaigns. If you watch the history, you can see that I have several videos about Advantage Plus. Why? Because it's working, obviously, and it's having good results. But it's these people in the platform that say, but it's targeting warm audience and this is stealing sales and so on and so on. Guess what? Your other campaigns also target warm audience, unless if you are in the category of the people that you're excluding all your past customers and your results suck, okay? And this is not a bad thing, actually being able to target also your warm audience in your cold traffic if it's going to help you get more sales. Not to inflate your results, but in order for you to have more sales because you are getting also some sales from your warm traffic coming inside, fueling your campaign so that you can have more sales in the cold traffic. So the problem is that in the Advantage Plus though, for those who are idiot enough to exclude all of their past customers because just they think that it's only about new customers on Facebook, which is another discussion, I can tell you that Facebook wouldn't leave us the option on the Advantage Plus to be able to exclude them, because the Advantage Plus, it has some specific presets and you cannot touch them. So now they have done this clever thing, which is this button. I'm putting a print screen here. You can find it just on the budget area over there, and you will see that not on the budget, on the targeting area of the custom audiences, let's say, in the same place. So anyway, it's just one page, just scroll down, you will find it. And they have this option that you can actually exclude some percentage of your warm traffic. Let's analyze that. First of all, I'm not totally against of doing it, of actually excluding your warm traffic from your cold funnel campaigns, but I think that you should do a mix. You should not just go and exclude all of it exclude all of your past clients from all of your cold traffic campaigns. That being said, I have also videos in this channel that I'm proving that when you do that, the results are catastrophic. Some people say, yes, they are catastrophic, but this is the actual top of funnel results. No, it's not the actual top of funnel results, because you are missing one key point here. The warm sales are going to fuel inside your campaigns with data so that you can have more sales in the cold funnel and new customers. If you don't understand that, I'm sorry, but you are just a person that has a very big ego in order to understand it, and you're just a person that only thinks that Facebook is all about having new traffic all the time, which is not the case, because e-commerce, it's all about a complete effort that you are having by just having repeated customers and so on. And there is no e-commerce without having repeated customers, because this is the power of advertising, having also repeated customers. And if this is the case over here, then you're also a person that you care about the double reporting that you're going to have from Google and Facebook for each one of the platforms stealing the other. But you should not care about that. You should watch the whole thing that you're doing, your whole marketing plan to all the campaigns, and analyze your numbers, and at the end of the day see if you're winning or not. Refining here and there, it's, for example, having some campaigns that they're excluding and some campaigns that they are not excluding. This is refinement. But doing just solutions like excluding all of them immediately, it's completely wrong, and I totally disagree with it. Now, back to the Advantage Plus. In the Advantage Plus, I researched it a little bit, and Facebook doesn't include the people who engage with your social media. So when you're excluding the people, the percentage of the warm traffic, then you're not going to exclude the people who engage with your social media. This is thing number one. Thing number two, I'm going to test it. I'm going to see how it's working, and I'm going to let you know in the next weeks or months how it's working. I find it a good idea. It's not a bad concept, to be honest with you, to be able to touch a little bit more the Advantage Plus. The percentage that I'm going to start with is going to be 30%, and then try to go to 20% or lower, and just try to see the difference between those. In the example also, they are considering 30% something. Some people say that this is a lot, some people say that this is not a lot, but I think that at 30% of exclusion, so targeting only 70% of your warm traffic, it's a good start. Maybe we will have to go to 40, 60, who knows, maybe it's the 50% is the sweet spot, okay? We will have to see. And of course, by analyzing the results later, we will be able to know if it's working, if it's good or bad. But Advantage Plus campaign is working, this is a fact, and I think that you should test it if you're not testing it. And of course, If you don't want to do this test, wait for my next videos that are going to come and I will let you know if this feature is good or bad. So, for all of these crybabies that they wanted to test it and they were crying about warm traffic on Advantage Plus, here's your solution. For all the other people that they're romantic like me and they like new features and stuff and they want to test them just for the excitement, there you are. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course. And until we meet again, guys, happy testing, be creative and be consistent.